and welcome to my channel, Eye Candie 615. My name is Teresa, and on my channel we talk about luxury, fashion, and lifestyle. If that's something that you like, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I release a video. And if you like what you see today, don't forget to hit the like button at the bottom. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So today we'll be discussing my Louis Vuitton Bandoulière Speedy B in a 25 size and a Damier Ebene canvas. Now, I absolutely love this bag. There hasn't been a Louis bag that I've purchased that I haven't loved. I really love this one. I studied the market. I researched every single thing I could. Purse blogs, YouTube videos, all the YouTubers that were already had the bag, what their first impressions were for the bag, and what have you. And I didn't hear anything negative about the bag that would sway me from buying the bag. However, the only thing negative I could say, I would be in agreement with others as far as being able to get in and out of the bag. It's a little narrow as far as its opening in a 25, but outside of that, I do not have any complaints. So I could probably say, beware of some of your, small leather goods that go inside. But outside of that, I absolutely love my Speedy B in 25 and Louis Vuitton Damier Ebene canvas. So, I bought this bag going on 4 years ago. It's my first bag purchase from Louis Vuitton. I did buy the Clemence wallet from Louis Vuitton. I absolutely love it. And I bought the wallet first, and then I knew I wanted to get the Speedy B and that they would be a perfect combination. The canvases, the colors look different, but both I bought from Louis Vuitton, so that does occur, depending on where you got it from. I absolutely love my Speedy B though. I keep the lock that comes on it with it. I love the coated canvas. I don't have to worry about the vachetta or vachetta, pick your poison, leather being tarnished. It has held up so well, like no scratches anywhere. This is impeccable. It's about 4 years old. The tarnishing has started on the zipper. However, because I am one who wears lotions and I put different oils, essential oils and everything on my body, skin, and even in my hair, so those things can break down different metals and coatings from metals very easily. So I can contribute that to those products, but I really don't think that's a problem for me. I mean, that's easy enough, and it's very hard to tell unless you really get close on it, so no problem. But my piping is absolutely perfect. There's no pop stitching or anything. Look at that. It has Louis Vuitton also on the buttons here, all sides. The bandoulière D-rings on each side, as well as the lock. And what I can appreciate too is this lock's not so heavy. It's heavy, but not so heavy that it's actually pulling on the side here, which is awesome. But the handles are holding up so well. I absolutely have no bunching or cracking or anything going on there. And the zipper today is just as smooth as day one. So I absolutely love it. Now, what I mentioned, you see how my hand, although I don't have the thinnest hand, see how my hand goes in, so it sort of, rubs up against your hand. So if you consider that a small leather good, you'll be able to understand why that could sort of become a problem. It could maybe damage something, especially if it's leather. But I keep all my bags stuffed. I keep it stuffed with this air bubble paper here, bubble wrap. I keep my strap inside. It is also in the coated leather. It is very generous in length. I wear this bag crossbody. I am not a slender frame person, and I'm able to wear this bag crossbody without a problem. So I wear it crossbody. I was very hesitant initially to start wearing bags crossbody, but you know, because again, I have a lot going on in the front, and you know, I guess some people would say blessed in that area. So I didn't want to really accentuate that or draw attention to it. So I didn't really want to wear crossbodies. Well, I got over that, especially when it came to the Speedy B here. So I absolutely love crossbodies, and once I got over that hump, I really can't think of wearing anything outside of a crossbody besides a shoulder strap, which is what a shoulder strap purse or bag, and that's really what I have really sort of been focusing on and purchasing is crossbodies or shoulder bags, mainly shoulder bags until I got over my issue with crossbody bags. Don't worry, no more. So again, I keep my bag stuffed, and so you can see what's inside, I'm going to have to take that out. And I have some things I keep in here. I have, looks like I got some feminine products in here. I also got a pen, but I'm not stupid. I carry my pen in this little velvet pen case. It's a very nice pen. It was given to me as a gift. It has red lining with the coated canvas trim on the back pocket here. It has a no pocket on this side, but it does have a D-ring inside for you can clip your keys or even a coin purse or pouch as well. Now, I do have a Samorga insert. I really love my insert. It is a Samorga insert. It has these front two pockets here. It has the back or the front inner pockets there. It has this generous bottle holder pocket or container pocket, but I don't put any drinks or liquids in my bag. I usually store like my phone and key holder in there so I could really see them easily, but I wouldn't put anything with liquid in this because it's made out of some kind of felt or microfiber material. It still won't hold water, and the water could still leak and then seep into the inner of the bag. I don't think so. I don't want that occurring, so I wouldn't do that. But it also has this smaller pocket on this side as well as a bigger pocket here. This inner back compartment, it looks like I got candy wrapper paper in there as well. So I just usually put this inside my Speedy. It stays in here. I actually like to store it in my Speedy. The only time I take it out is when I put it in my Alma PM, which if you guys would like to know about that, the wear and tear of my Alma PM and how the Samorga fits perfectly in there and helps me keep those and what fits in there, and just general wear and tear, feel free to comment and let me know down below. So, the Samorga helps me keep the bag its shape as well as the stuffing, so it really helps prevent that Speedy sag when I am carrying things because it has additional bottom to keep it firm so it won't sag. Although I do like it when I see people carrying the Speedy and it's sagging, I really just like the shape of the bandoulière, the Speedy as it is. So it sort of seems distorted to me. I can't pull that off. To me, I don't think I can pull that off. So I will continue to wear it with my Samorga inside, and I tend to carry a lot when I carry my Speedy. So I'll have all my essentials. I absolutely Love the Speedy though. And if you guys would like to see what fits inside here that I normally carry, it's a bunch. And it's a 25. It's a 25 and it carries a lot. As you can imagine, you can really weigh yourself down. I wouldn't advise it. When I say a lot, I really don't carry too many things inside there. If I'm going to be carrying this around a lot, if I'm in the mall or something, I don't want it to weigh me down. So outside of that, I do wear this crossbody. The strap comes with easy clasps here. Claps, is that how you say it? See how easy that was to just click on there like that on both sides. And I'm ready to go. So, love my Speedy B. So if you guys have any questions or comments about the Speedy, or would like to see what fits inside all my SLGs, I did film a video of all my Louis Vuitton SLGs that may fit inside. So if you'd like to see that, please let me know. Comment down below. And that really does it. So if you like my video today, please give it a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So until next time, bye.